Kumutendeka otwak mosebedo kadhi mbele od bura mamalo kama bende spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula koro ng'ado ni Kenya Kwanza mani kod kwan mathoth e od bura mamalo. Wetangula koni Azimio ni kod jod bura 154 ka opim kod 165 mag Kenya Kwanza manyiso ni Kenya Kwanza mani kod jokanyo mathoth e od bura. Matimore ka nyo jod bura mag Azimio nyo ka obete kombe Kweth mathoth e kinde manyo od bura ochako twak ayanga bang' wuok e yweyo. Waduo kinya korom gajwang'
Minority Party nominates the following members to the House Business Committee in accordance with the standing orders. The Honorable Mbui Robert MP, the Honorable Francis Kajwang Tom Joseph MP, the Honorable Walie Adan Keinan MP, the Honorable Korere Sarah Paulata MP, yours sincerely, Junet Mohammed, Honorable EGH MP, Suna East Constituency, leader of the Minority Party in the National Assembly. At the time the Honorable Junet wrote this letter, the judgment under contestations that has gone on yesterday was already out. And he knew and designated himself, rightly so, as the minority leader. I call out today for the motion to be moved. The majority leader moved the motion, and it was seconded by the Honorable Keinan. Once a motion is moved, you can either move an amendment seeking the necessary support from the House that shall be put to a vote, or you keep your cool. You do not change the content of a motion by picketing on the floor of the House and making statements that are completely unparliamentary and unhelpful. As it is now, the motion that you are going to vote to is properly the House, fully carrying the names of both sides of the House, the majority and minority, and upon voting on the motion, I direct all members who, if they're passed by the motion, to go to room 9 for the first meeting of the House Business Committee to schedule business for tomorrow. And this House must, and I repeat, we have a greater duty to the people of Kenya than the shenanigans that we want to display here. The mover of the point of order yesterday, Honorable Millie Odhiambo, said she respects the outcome. She doesn't agree. That is part of fair game in an arena that is judicial or quasi-judicial, like this House. Like I said, we go to court, you lose a case, you don't fight the judge, you don't insult the judge, you say, much obliged, my lord, you'll come to fight another day. That is how the law works. I now put the question, honorable members, that pursuant the provision of Standing Order 171.1, and I repeat, no member listed on this motion has been withdrawn, because the withdrawal of any member on a motion like this can only be through an amendment to the motion. I now put the question, which is that pursuant the provision of Standing Order 171.1F, this House approves the appointment of the following members to the House Business Committee in addition to those specified under paragraphs A, B, C, D, and E. Honorable Mboko Milemba, CBS MP, Honorable Robert Mbui, CBS MP, Honorable Faith Wairimu Gitao, CBS MP, Honorable Samuel K. Chepkonga, CBS MP, Honorable Adan Walie Keinan, CBS MP, Honorable Tom Joseph Francis Kajwang, CBS MP, Honorable Sarah Paulata Korere MP, Honorable Joshua Mbithi Mwalio MP, Honorable Omolher Kasim Sheikh MP. As members of that opinion say aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Honorable members, you may be upstanding, there being no further business in the House. The House stands adjourned until tomorrow, Thursday, the 13th February 2025 at 2:30 p.m. And before the Speaker's procession, members who have been approved to the House Business Committee move to room 9 immediately for the House Business Committee.